Hello, I'm Rolf Jörg from m-tec in Germany. I'm technical application specialist. We want to show you today the basic settings of the SMP Connect and the control panel. We have two different parts. One, it's the machine by himself, and one, it's the control panel. On the control panel, we have the different sockets. There are the connections for the computer and for the robot. The SMP Connect is delivered with extension cable for each connection. There we have the level sensors, yellow to yellow and red to red. The black one, it's an option for a dry material probe where you can connect in the silo. The mixer we plug in on the mixer. We have two vibrators where you can connect. Pumping motor. The safety device. We have two safety switches, one for the mixer and one for the pump. Wet material sensor, the main power, the water, connecting the water from the control panel to the mixer. As an option, an air fluidization for a better flow of the material. Now we assemble the complete machine. First we do the mixing shaft in. The plate. Lock it on both sides. Close the pump. Now we open the pumping motor, turn it, put in the pumping shaft, turn back the pumping motor, lock it, reconnect the pressure gauge. Now we switch on the main switch. We have 0 in the display. Now we can start to push the green double push button. We pre-adjust the water flow rate now with the water flow button. Turn the whole pump away to check the right consistency of the material. Put a bucket underneath the mixer. For safety reasons, you have to use the two-handed mode to push the green button and the mixer together. Consistency, it's okay, it's checked. Now we close the pump and put a cement slurry in the pumping area. Close the pumping motor. We connect the hose to the pumping end piece. Pump through the slurry. We have to push the green button and the pump. You have the possibility to adjust the speed. You can hear it for a lower speed or a higher speed. Now we start only the mixer. You can see the red light that says you material is touched to the wet material probe. The mixer is flushing, so it means it's in automatic mode and waiting for starting. Now we pump through the material and we work now in automatic mode